How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can go ahead and delete your Facebook account permanently. So first, you need to go to the facebook.com website, or you can also launch your Facebook application if you're using the app or your mobile device. Then after, once you're logged in, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings and privacy. After that, tap on settings. From the settings page, you need to go ahead and open the account center. So go ahead, tap on account center to open it. Now from this page, go to personal details, that is between password and security and your information and permissions. Now in this page, you'll get 4 different options of contact info, date of birth, identity, confirmation, and account ownership and control. Go ahead and tap on account ownership and control, that is the last option. Now you'll again get 2 different options of memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Tap on deactivation or deletion, select your Facebook account, and you'll get 2 different options to deactivate your account, which is temporary, and your account and your main profile will be deactivated. Your name, your photos will be removed, but you'll be able to continue using Messenger and you'll be able to reactivate Facebook anytime you like. But if you go ahead and tap on delete account, this is completely permanent. You'll get 30 days to cancel your deletion if you want. So select delete account, tap on continue. Before you delete, select the reason for deletion, then tap on continue again. And now enter the correct form of your Facebook password in this box. Once done, tap on continue and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.